Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Just Swing It. We're here with Scotty Ramirez, and I'll tell you what, I have been pestering this young man, this youngster, for 12 years about this. This is a Ryan, this one's done up as an L-17 Navion, Ryan Navion. All right, and I'll shut up and then let Scotty do his thing.
I haven't taxied this yet even, so. Well, the entire field is stopped for you.
Well, exactly, Scotty. We're all watching you, brother. This is a this is a North American Aviation Navion.
Do you want to head out, Justin?
No, you do your thing. I'm going to wait for you.
Okay.
All right, maiden flight. 12 years in the making, ladies and gentlemen.
Not bad.
All right. Well, actually, there's a taxi test. There's a taxi test. So these were a four-place civilian airplane that was built based on the P-51 platform, believe it or not. P-51 3 views. And North American wanted to capture some of the...
Seems like it'll be all right.
Oh, she gonna fly, brother. She gonna fly.
It'll be fine.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Okay, Johnson, we should have. That's all right.
Oh man, beauty, beauty. Wow, gosh, it looks beautiful. Beautiful,
Okay,
beautiful
Scott?
plane.
It's okay. Yeah, I just needed a bunch of up trim, but I hit the bottom, so I'll have to adjust that later. But I got it. I mean, it's
Might be a little nose heavy.
maybe. Yeah, I think it might be.
Man, she scoots right along.
Power 10.
Oh, okay.
That's why I wanted, from the old T-28, I wanted it to be a little more.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what. Jeez.
I think it is a bit nose heavy, actually, but.
Yeah, I didn't really want to come over here.
That's right. It didn't.
I think you get this thing dialed in, it's going to be a daily flyer.
Yeah, I think so too.
Go up and give the flaps a whirl.
I was just going to do that. Come around and see how. We're about half throttle right now, though. So.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so there's half flap.
Any noticeable pitch change or anything?
Scott, it went up a little bit, but I mean that's half flap right there.
Okay. Wow.
And it slows down pretty. I mean it's
got some barn door flaps on it. Yeah.
There's full flap.
I didn't even see it pitch. Jeez.
And that's your full flap right there.
Wow. I bet you she'll settle in.
Seems like it.
Like landing on a pillow.
I'm gonna go half there. I'm gonna come a little bit lower. Yeah, I think it's a bit nose heavy. But I like the Power 10. It's more,
yeah,
than the stock Trojan motor.
It's got some oomph.
That, all right.
Beauty.
Remember to try to stay on the north side of the engine.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you. I'll take that. I think I'll come in for a landing.
All right.
It's getting gusty now anyway.
Yeah, it is. Gotta find you again here.
Pretty much down the runway, those guys.
Yeah, they are kind of high.
Hey, what's your left?
My gear looks down. Everything's good.
Yep, okay. I gotcha. We're back on.
That was the plan.
Nice, Mr. Ramirez. Nice. Woo! Nice. Ryan L-17B
Thank you.
Navion, or North American Navion, whatever you wish to call it, but it's a Navion. Beauty.
I got to shorten that steering.
Yeah. Beauty. Beauty.
So now will you stop bugging me?
Here, on camera, let me give you a hug.
Hey, stop bugging me. Thank you. Thanks for all your support.
12 years I've been pestering this guy to do a L-17 Navion out of a ParkZone T-28 Trojan. Look at this little thing. Jeez, great job, Scotty.
Thanks, buddy.
Gosh, man, we're all pulling for you. That's beauty. That's a beauty. It's Scott, Master Modeler, by the way, Scott Ramirez.
Hey, Scott.
Got an L-17 Navion built from a ParkZone. Believe it or not, that started out as a ParkZone T-28 Trojan. The old one, the old
And the
ParkZone.
is nice.
You need to mix with the flaps.
I didn't know. I didn't think so at all. It didn't feel like it. I mean, it went up a little bit, but not in any way it was like a prop. It didn't feel like. It just felt like it slowed down. Yeah, it didn't feel like. And finish that depth on
That's a beauty.
And thanks again.
Wow. Thank you, Scotty.
Thank you.
I owe you one.
Thank you. Seriously.
No, that's awesome.
Set me up on it.
No, and you know what's even better is everyone's pulling for you. Everyone's going, my God, look at this. The whole field was watching. I love it. I love it. Congrats, brother. Congrats.
Just wing it. Watch it.
All right. Hey, thanks for that, brother. All right, we're at the John Morgan Electric Fun Fly, St. George, Utah, 2024. Scott Ramirez just made this beautiful little L-17 Navion. It's got the little smiley face cowl on it. I mean, oh, this just beauty. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers and all the best for Just Wing It.